Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the new Hippcron Car Radio 1 Din Multimedia MP5 Player. The new Hippcron Car Radio 1 Din Multimedia MP5 Player, model 7805C, is a budget-friendly car audio system with a compact design. It measures 18.7 by 5.7 by 8.7 centimeters and is lightweight at 0.5 kilograms, making installation easy. The unit features a 4-inch display with a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels, which is clear and allows for smooth navigation in English. This multimedia player includes a radio tuner that works across the FM spectrum from 87.5 MHz to 108.0 MHz, providing access to various radio stations. It offers decent audio output power of 45 W, suitable for casual users wanting an upgrade from factory systems. The 7805C is designed for in-dash placement and runs on a standard 12V power supply, compatible with most vehicles. It consists of metal and plastic materials and is CE certified, ensuring safety and quality without harmful chemicals. Overall, the new Hippcron 7805C offers essential features like a built-in radio tuner and a clear display at an affordable price, making it a practical option for budget-conscious drivers. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.